Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I just want you guys to please check out this beautiful 50 compilations of pictures of beautiful short haircuts for black women, and those hairstyles features the pixies, the pixie cut, the bobs, the voice cut, the tapered, and Twinnie Winnie Afro. And most of those hairstyles are for the beautiful black older women that really want that kind of look that will boost their confidence and make them to be fearless. One thing about this haircut today is that it is kind of hair symbol of fearlessness and radical change. Both great news to really start a new week and a new mood. In fact, just a new start for the year. So anyone with the right confidence can really wear this beautiful short haircuts we have for you, because it's a kind of style I can recommend for everyone. Like recommending bringing those beautiful photos of your favorite pixies and beautiful short haircuts right in front of you. I love those beautiful style. It's that kind of hairstyle that's easy to style. So if you're really having trouble landing on the perfect haircut, just think about your natural texture and work with, not against it. Like for instance, someone with mostly straight hair would benefit from this kind of cut, because it's just that kind of hair that's designed, to just fall flat and collapse like this beautiful short pixie on the screen. Why anyone with a super curly hair should just choose that kind of pixie that has a more three-dimensional voluminous shape and texture. So why you always need trims about every 6 weeks for you to maintain the style on the screen. Like you can see the shape of those hair for you to maintain the sleek short size and hair on top. You have to visit your barber every 6 weeks, and this kind of cut should be low maintenance to style day by day. You can see that is that kind of style that won't take much time in front of the mirror. And one thing about the style is that it's a slightly sweeter look that always follows the curves of the hair. You can take a good look on this beautiful hair and how you feel about this on the face of those beautiful black women. One other thing too I want you guys to have at the back of your mind is that this haircut are the most trending short haircut as long as 2024 is concerned, because it's that kind of hairstyle that will always make you feel, like the new lace in life, like that kind of hair trend that are updated, that kind of style that will make you look beautiful, that is slicker and smoother, and it's always there to give you that shinier finish. Because one thing with those styles is that they have those polished rounded edges, or like the more that are sleek and wet, and you can see how the coils are really curved and giving that kind of beautiful look every woman wants out there. So if you're really looking to lose a few inches and lean into the sleeker trends, or you really want to revamp your short hairstyle, look no further more, because here in Wendy Styles we are here to bring the best short hair trends that stylists out there are sure to really take over in 2024. So if it's the first time here in Wendy Styles, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below, okay? Check out all of my videos for you to be updated too on some other most beautiful, most trendiest short haircuts in my previous video, and always stay locked to this channel, because short hairstyle lives here, and we're here to bring the best of styles that are really trending in 2024. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next video.
I get the mic, go what the